Welcome to our channel full wave rectifier circuit diagram. You can see here 230 volt input is given to transformer, and from transformer to we take output of 12012. Okay, it is central tap transformer. Okay, in this we use this transformer. Okay, we connected to supply 230 volt by 2 pin plug, and this is the 230 volt supply. Okay, 230 volt AC input written here. You can see here input AC 230 volt 50 hertz supply is given to 12 transformer. This is 12 volt, 0 volt, 12 volt. Okay, this is center tap transformer. Okay, next you can see here for central tap transformer 12 volt is given to diode. Okay, this is 1N4007 diode. Okay, in this black color portion is anode and silver ring is cathode as shown in this diagram. Next we use here one resistor half watt 1 kilo ohm resistor. We connect to center of transformer and to diode center point. Okay, by connected by this link wire, and this is what another diode of same number 1N4007. Okay, is connected to again 12 volt to anode black color portion, and silver ring cathode is connected to resistor. Okay, same connection we made in this box. Okay, you can see this is the diode. Okay, this is the anode and silver ring is cathode. We connect same like this. Next we connect from cathode to one link wire. Okay, from cathode to connect link wire to another diode cathode. Okay, this is the for diode cathode, and we connect diode cathode to this connector. Okay, this is the silver ring is cathode. We connect and anode is connected to 12 volt supply. You can see here 12 volt supply to anode, and cathode is connected to this link wire to another diode cathode, and anode to 12 volt supply. Now we connect one resistor. Okay, resistor between central tap 0 volt to two diodes point. Okay, this is the 0 volt, to this diode point. This is what our connection of full wave rectifier. Now test this circuit by using CRO. This is CRO cathode ray oscilloscope. This is the display. In this you can see here, okay, this horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Give supply to CRO. Okay, you can see here line is comes means this is okay to test. Okay, now test this full wave rectifier by this connector. Okay, we connect this connector to channel 1. Okay, these are the connector leads. You may see here sine wave is comes on this display. When we touch it, you can connect this folio rectifier circuit to input 230 volt supply. Okay, we connect two probes across the diode, make switch on in the output of the VDC across the register. You can see in this. Okay, graph input, this is the input cycle. Okay, x-axis is time and y-axis is in volts. Okay, x-axis in volts, sorry, y-axis in volts, x-axis in time. Okay, same DC output waveform also see here. Without filter it is. No capacitor is connected across the register. So we call it as without filter DC output waveform. In this you can see here positive cycle and negative cycle. Both the cycles are high. Means in full wave rectifier we connect two diodes for the reason you can see here all the waveforms comes in positive and negative are in the same direction. Like here you can see here this is the positive and for negative also same, and positive positive negative again negative is same, means same waveform in the output we can see in this full wave rectifier circuit. Okay, this is what the full wave rectifier practical. You can see how to CRO showing its output and you understand.